What's the meaning of CT scan? CT scan. CT scan.
CT scan. CT scan. A CT scan, or computed tomography scan, is a diagnostic imaging test that uses X-rays to produce detailed cross-sectional images of internal structures in the body. The scan produces multiple images that can be compiled into a three-dimensional view, allowing doctors to see detailed views of organs, bones, blood vessels, and other tissues. CT scans are used to diagnose a range of conditions, from cancer and heart disease to injuries and infections. Depending on the area being scanned, the procedure can take 10 to 30 minutes and may require the use of contrast dye to enhance some images.